When is a hotel or casino responsible for your slip and fall on the premises? Well, the first step in showing a hotel or casino is legally responsible for your slip and fall is to present evidence that the hotel owner or the employees were negligent. That means they had some duty to keep guests safe from harm and they did not comply and they breached their duty, and that's what caused the slip and fall. So, how do you prove this negligence? Well, there's a number of ways. Most hotels, casino these days have video, which is usually really good. So go request any video there is. Photos also help prove it. And you want to take photos if you're taking them of the scene. If there's something on the floor, you take pictures of that. Take pictures of injuries. Interview anybody that was there that might have seen it. So the important part is if you're traveling, you're on vacation or you're on business, you don't have time for this nonsense of thinking about lawsuits. But if you are injured due to a slip and fall, you want to contact security and make a report. If you don't, they'll say, hey, we didn't even know about it. Probably didn't even happen. So definitely contact security, make a report. Also, go get checked out by the doctor. I know it's inconvenient. You want to wait till you get home and your vacation's done and all that. But if you don't get checked out by a doctor, the hotel casino is probably going to argue, look, you weren't really hurt, because if you were hurt, you would have gone to a doctor. And you also have no damages to prove that you really were hurt. So it is important to get checked out and get checked out sooner rather than later. Another thing you're going to want to do is send a preservation letter. A preservation letter is just a letter to the hotel or casino saying, hey, look, I was injured, I had a slip and fall on this date about this time. Preserve all the evidence, meaning preserve the video. Now, hotels and casinos roll video in a lot of places for very good reasons. Believe it or not, there's some people that actually commit fraud in places like casinos. And so they have cameras everywhere and they're filming just about everything. So they have cameras as much as, well, probably mostly to protect them. But on the flip side, if you're injured in a slip and fall and it's due to something on the ground that shouldn't have been there, those videos are going to help you. So you want to let them know right away they need to preserve this evidence, because often the hard drive is overwritten. And so if you don't tell them to preserve the evidence early, it'll get written over and it'll be gone forever, and possibly your case will be gone as well. So last tip, if you are out and you have an injury and a casino, hotel says, hey, look, we're going to offer you some comps. Here's a free room. Here's some free dinners. Here's a free show. That's really, really nice. But take a look at the fine print. Make sure you're not giving up your rights to bring a claim for your injuries in exchange for these free little bits. So stay safe. Thanks very much for watching.